Good morning. I'm gonna try to get under 7 minutes this time, at least under 7 minutes. So let's start with the ANF trade that I opened on Monday, seeing that the retail sector was turning lower based on the Carinen momentum indicator that you see here. Now in this video I finally removed the exponential 50 period moving average and added a custom indicator that I've created that shows the 50 period simple moving average over many time frames like 30 minutes, 60, 120, 180, 240 and daily. You can change these if you like, but I'm keeping them as standard. So we see pretty clearly that the 50 period moving averages on pretty much all the time frames, or all the time frames that I'm looking at, are above this. So this is kind of like ready to crash down, which is why I've bought puts. Yesterday it went lower, so I opened it here on Monday, somewhere here on Monday. Yeah, on Monday I got good profits. On Tuesday it went higher, so profits went a bit away. Now I'm back at good profits, and I'm believing this will keep going lower. Pre-market action already negative, so starting nicely. So let's do the standard run now. S&P 500. Momentum turned lower like we saw. Price still moving higher now, again opening lower, maybe, who knows. I believe the markets are in for a reversal back towards the daily 50 period simple moving average, which is this violet or purple dotted line somewhere here. So could probably go touch that, maybe a bit lower somewhere here, and who knows, then we may get a big move down or a bounce higher, whichever, but I'm still looking for this to come and at least kiss the violet line at roughly 400. Nasdaq, similar story. The momentum turned already lower a while ago. I've got some butterflies here waiting for the price to come somewhere in this area. If it does, I'm in for a nice lottery ticket type win. Would be really solid. The risk is also super low, so I kind of don't care too much what happens, but I'm believing still that something like that would happen when these moving averages start breaking one by one. Dow Jones starting to think about turning lower. This is taking its time, kind of stronger than the others, opening lower again. I mean, also just like the rest, maybe, who knows. And IWM Russell still below the daily 50 period simple moving average, so this is kind of weaker than the rest. The current momentum is still heading higher. When this turns lower, I would be very interested in shorting IWM. Going through the sectors now. XLE turned lower, opening lower, maybe time to go lower. Just like I said yesterday, XLF not ready yet. When we look at the momentum is still rising. This is a weak chart though, with the bank problems and all that stuff. I believe XLF is in for good punishment sometime this week, maybe next. I'm waiting for that to happen. XLB not ready to go down yet, but probably at the end of the bullish wave, so maybe again going lower, which makes sense because the S&P 500 as a whole is pretty ready, in my opinion, to start heading lower. XLK pretty similar to Nasdaq, strong chart here. So if the next dip is small one, I'll probably then go long and ride the next bull wave. Hopefully it's a strong one. Who knows? But that's what I would be trying to do anyway. XLU thinking about turning lower. Oh, that's what it was starting to think yesterday, even though the price actually moved still higher. I don't know what it will do. Just trying to run through these quick to get under 7 minutes this time. This is still heading higher, not time to go short, but I wouldn't buy it anymore at these levels. It's been consolidating around those areas, but it's not ready to crash yet for me. XLV ready to go lower from here. Could be an interesting short or a company in XLV. XLY actually printed green yesterday. This is interesting. I might want to take a look at Amazon or that sort of companies in the XLY. XLP price is really strong. The momentum is falling lower, but Who knows? On Monday's video I drew this resistance line and it broke above and fell back to it. Interesting to see what happens. Interesting indeed. Real estate still moving higher. Not time to short this yet. XLC has turned lower somewhere here. Fell yesterday. Could be a shorting moment. Who knows? It hasn't traveled much down yet. Or a company within XLC. XBI still in a very bullish moment. I would have been much happier to buy it down here when it turned up. Now I wouldn't be buying it anymore. I'm just like waiting, when is it done? When will it go down? And when it's going down, when it starts to be ready to turn, I'm starting to wait when it will be ready to go up the next time. So I wouldn't be buying it anymore. This is kind of retail. The ANF trade is within retail. Kind of doesn't know what to do. The ANF is already going down. This bull wave was so weak that it can give this sort of like changing colors. I'm still thinking XRT is gonna head down. The ANF at least is heading down, and it is within XRT. XHB looking nice and bullish for now. SMH. If the bear wave is weak, this would be a solid long when the bear wave has run its course. So the bear wave started somewhere here, and for now it hasn't really fallen any lower. So I'm actually looking for SMH for long, not yet, but sometime soonish. XOP, so oil producers. Time to short if you like shorting XOP. Clean energy, not yet a short, could be a short soon. And that's all there is to it. If you want these tools, this is called Carina Momentum. It's a part of the reversal catcher system. You can go to reversalcatcher.com/trial and take it for a trial. $1, 10 days. Then if you like it, you can keep it. It's a pretty affordable subscription. If you don't like it, just cancel anytime, I don't mind. I find this a super useful tool. I'm using it all the time and it works great for me and it works great for our other users as well. I believe you could benefit from it too. Over and out. My name is Jukka Karinen from Option Investors Club. I hope you have a great day, make a lot of money, take it easy. Bye.